What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like stockings.
Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with ILikeHairWig.com. So I'm excited to show you guys the unit they sent over to me. Look at the box. It's definitely giving luxury vibes. So in the box with the unit was a few goodies. There was a cosmetic bag that had a shower cap, also had an eyebrow brush and comb, some tweezers, couple of hair clips, and a comb, which I will definitely be using, as well as a stocking cap that I didn't show. So let's talk about cap construction. There is 2 combs on each side of the part, 1 in the middle. There's also 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. There's an elastic band as well as adjustable straps in the back. So this cap is made for everybody. So right now I'm just trying to measure up the part of the wig with my part to see if I'm leaving enough hair out, which ended up failing me at the end. But as you can see with this hair just up to mine, this is gonna be the perfect blend. So this is a Ipart Kinky straight wig and I have it in 18 inches. Because it's an Ipart, you can leave out 99 to 100% less hair than a U-part wig. Yes, I said 100%. Because it features a true roots closure, which matches the roots of your hair, which you can kind of see that when I'm lining it up with my hair. But I'm gonna choose to leave hair out today. I think that method would work better if you are able to have anchor braids. But for those of you that aren't new to my channel, know that I am a part of the small community of black girls that don't know how to braid. So I wouldn't be able to have the hair sit how it needs to in order to use that method without any type of anchor braids. And I'm also working on freshly blow dried hair, so my hair is really soft and I had a hard time having the clips hang on to my hair, if that makes any sense. And just that quick, we have the wig installed. As you can see, the part on the wig went a little bit further than my leave out, which is why I said the measuring earlier kind of failed me a little bit, but it all worked out in the end. This install was so quick with no lace, no glue, just a thin leave out. So let's move on to styling the hair. I'm gonna go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron and just lightly press the hair. This hair is so soft, y'all. It literally feels like my hair freshly blow dried. So I just wanted to show you guys a side by side of the press side versus the non-press side, and I will come back and blend my hair with you guys.
body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me.
Woo, y'all, look at that. Who's wearing a wig? Not me. So the press look was cool or whatever, but I wanted to see how this would look with some one curls, so I said, let's do it.
Getting under my skin, pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You my heart, for this can't be your first time. My heart for the stage version. I'm looking for some things that I've been never. You gotta share somebody but love for the bonfire. You my eyes, but for this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so funny? You wanna get with me, stop it.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the teeth. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, baby, and hitting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills. All because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby.
So here's a final look at the hair. As you can see, it styles pretty good and the blend is unmatched. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Also check out the description box for my coupon code, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Full speed, ça prend les paris, mais